How to find keywords for SEO beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find the perfect keywords for your search engine optimization. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows about SEO by now. If you have created a website, if you have any kind of online presence on social media, or if you have a website, if you're running an e-commerce store, SEO is something that you probably have heard of. It is a very important and very essential thing that you need for your website, because SEO is search engine optimization, which basically means that whenever someone searches for your website or for something, it would mean that your search results would show up on top. The better your SEO is, the more likely that people are to see your search results. So they are going to be more likely to see your page or see your website or see your e-commerce store. And then once you have more people viewing your store, you will eventually have more sales and more ads as well. The reason that you're going to get more ads with higher SEO is that advertisers know that if this person has a high engagement, if they have high SEO, they are recommended often by search engines, it means they have high traffic, and they are looking for websites or blogs or any kind of content with high traffic to put their adverts on. So you're going to get more advertisement with SEO optimization as well. So if you have a website, blog, or any social media content, SEO optimization is super important. Now, how can you actually do this? Well, I'm going to show you guys quite a few tools that I have found to be some of the best tools to find keywords for your SEO. So keywords are basic terms or words that people often use for searching within search engines. So for example, if I go into Amazon, I'm not going to search for something very peculiar like white t-shirt for my dad. Instead, I would be searching for a white t-shirt or white t-shirt for men. So these are certain keyword phrases that are often used. So you can see instead of something like furniture cover waterproof, instead of having a furniture cover that is named something very obscure, you have these keywords like outdoor furniture cover waterproof. This is a keyword phrase. So these are the words that people often use when they are looking or searching for anything on the web. So it could be anywhere from Amazon, Google, or any other platform. They could be searching anywhere for these things, and you need to make sure that your content ranks the highest in terms of SEO, so your content is seen by more people and you get more leads, sales, and ads. Now, if we take a look at the tools, first off, we have Helium 10. Now, Helium 10 is one of my top favorite tools to use for SEO optimization. So if we take a look at Helium 10, you can see that I have logged on to my Helium 10 account. All you need to do is sign up via your email. Then you're going to click on Tools over here. And then you have Keyword Research over here on the center left. So you can see you have the Magnet Keyword Research. You have the saved list, so you can save certain keywords. Then you have the misspellings checker. So certain times people often are searching for something and they often misspell a certain word. So that could be a very common occurrence for certain things, like something that has a difficult pronunciation or a difficult spelling. So people are often going to misspell those words as well, and you need to keep that in account when you are putting SEO optimization onto your content. So first off, we're going to go onto the Magnet Keyword Research tool. Now we're going to click on this, and now you can select what exact marketplace you are targeting. So you have Amazon, and you also have a Walmart. So this is specifically for Amazon businesses. But what I do recommend is that these kinds of SEO answers usually do apply to other websites as well, but this is just specifically for Amazon. So if I search for beauty in Amazon America or the United States, these are the results that we're going to come up with. So it's going to show me different filters that I can add. So these are the different keywords that have been ranked according to beauty. So these are the keywords that I would be adding to my different listings on Amazon if I'm writing anything regarding beauty. Now, you can find keywords for Amazon on Helium 10, but if you want to find general keywords, you can go onto a platform like Google Trends. So Google Trends is another amazing platform that will enable you to find amazing keywords for your business or for whatever content that you have. So let's search for fashion over here on Google Trends. Now, we're just going to search this term. Now, you can see this is going to be giving you filters like the country, the time period, the category, and then the web search. Now, we're going to select our country and we're going to select worldwide. And then you can say, let's say maybe I want the data for only the past 30 days. And then I can select all categories. And then I also have web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. So I can look for specifically where people have searched this term the most. So I'm going to continue with web search. Now you can see Serbia has been ranked #1 in terms of searching for fashion But if I scroll down over here, what you're going to get is you're going to get related topics and related queries. You're going to open up these related queries. So you're going to take a look at the related queries, and these are basically the keywords that you're going to use for your business. So you have the Fashion Week 2022, Misguided, MTK Fashion. The Selvame Fashion Week has been the breakout word or the most rising keyword term. So you're going to make sure to include this in your content. Now, this is just one tool that you can use for SEO optimization. There are so many other tools that you can use to find different keywords. Keywords are just going to help you in ranking content better, but you need to find specific keywords for specific platforms. So you can go on to a platform like Keyword Chef. So Keyword Chef is another platform. You just have to sign up, and once you have signed up, you're just going to go on to your email address to verify your email with Keyword Chef. So we're just going to go on and verify our email account over here just by clicking here, and then we can just go on to the login page. You're going to enter your email address, and then you're just going to enter the password for your account, and then you're just going to log in. And once you do that, you can begin your keyword search. So you're just going to search for questions best, compare, how to, most, alternatives, or ideas. So let's say we want the best keyword searches for fashion over here, and they are just looking up some keywords. Now you can see they have given some keywords, and they have sample keywords on the right side over here, or keyword phrases. So best websites for Y2K fashion, and after that I can search for maybe alternatives. So maybe I want to find alternatives to the word fashion in my article or in my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see over here. So I have Fast, Nova, Designer, Magazines, all these other keywords that have been recommended to me. And in this way, you can find multiple different kinds of keywords using Keyword Chef as well. Now, next up on our list, we have Duval. So Duval is another amazing tool that will enable you to find different keywords. Like, this is a free to use website. You don't even have to register. You can just enter the keyword. Let's say I want to search for music, and they will give you a result right away. So we're going to click on Duval, and this will lead you to the Google search engine. But where you type, if I search for music, now you can see all of the different keywords that are being searched presently that are the most popular are going to be added over here. Although one thing about this application is that it does not give in-depth data. Unlike platform like Helium 10 or Google Trends, you're not going to get super detailed data from Duval, but still it is a great application. Now, moving on to the next keyword research tool that I love to use is keywordtool.io. So you can select web search, image search, news search, YouTube search. You can select Amazon, Apple Store, Apple Play, Instagram, Twitter. So whatever platform that you want. We're going to continue on with Google web search. And let's say we're going to select global or worldwide, and then we're going to choose our language. And now let's say we want to search for orange. So we're going to search for orange related keywords, and then you're just going to take a look at the keywords over here. So you get so many different keywords. You get the data for some of them. And if you want more data on the overall search volumes and trends of the rest of the keywords, you can obviously upgrade to the Keyword Tool Pro, but still you will be able to access these keywords for free with this tool. Now, next up on my list is Keyword Tool Dominator and KeywordSheeter.com. So both of these are nice platforms that I find to be good alternatives to cross-check all of my keywords. Like, I'm just going to search for orange over here to give you guys a comparative analysis on what kind of answers you're going to be getting. So you can see they are importing all the keywords that they have. You also have location filters, you have language filters on this as well, and this will just enable you to create the best of the listing or of your website to further optimize in a good manner. Now, you can click on save over here and just save the keyword list that you have. So you can click on import and import all of these keywords and add them to the code of your specific website. Now, you also have a positive filter and a negative filter that you can add. And if we go on to our next platform, we have Answer the Public. So Answer the Public is something a bit more specific. They have a lot more in-depth features like understanding what the consumers want. So let's say we are going to search for fan, and we search for that over here. And then you can scroll down and see the different questions, the visualization and data of what people really want when they search for an item like this. So you can see a graphic chart like this. So you have fans, why, who, how, what, can, and then you have other answers as well, versus, and, or, like. So after that, if you scroll down, you have alphabetical answers, and this is a lot more detailed data that you can collect and then add to your website or your web page. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to take the best keywords out of all these platforms and use them on your business. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below and I will catch you guys in the next video.